In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a CSV file on Salesforce with this full 2025 guide. We'll walk through each step, making the process easy and straightforward. Let's get started. First, we need to prepare your CSV file. It is crucial to ensure that your CSV is formatted correctly. Use commas as your delimiters, this is the standard. Pay attention to how commas, new lines and double quotes are escaped in your file to avoid any errors during the import process. Doing this preparatory step right can save you a lot of time later on. Now head over to Salesforce. Begin by clicking the gear icon located in the top right corner of the Salesforce interface. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Advanced Setup. This is where we find many powerful tools that Salesforce offers for data management. In the Advanced Setup, there's a handy tool called the Quick Find box. Click on it and type Data Import Wizard. As you do, suggestions will appear, so select the Data Import Wizard to proceed further. This tool is instrumental in helping us import data smoothly. Once you are in the Data Import Wizard, look for the option that says Import My Data and click on it. This is a preliminary step before the actual import begins. Following this, you will see a Start button. Simply click Start to initiate the process. Now comes an important decision, selecting the object you want to import your data into. Salesforce offers several options like leads, contacts, accounts, or campaign members. Choose the one that aligns with your data and import goals. With that selection made, it's time to choose the option I have a CSV file. This tells Salesforce that your data is ready and formatted in a CSV file, which is the focus of this guide. Next, click on the Upload Files button. This action will open a window that allows you to navigate through your computer and select the prepared CSV file you want to upload. Make sure you pick the correct file to avoid any mix-ups. Once the file is uploaded, Salesforce will typically suggest field mappings for you. These suggestions are based on the column headers in your CSV file. It's a smart feature, but remember to review and, if necessary, adjust these mappings. Ensuring they match the appropriate Salesforce fields is crucial to accurate data import. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything is mapped, click Import to begin the import process. Salesforce will handle the rest, and soon your data will be integrated into the platform. And there you have it, a clear path to uploading a CSV file into Salesforce. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for your Salesforce data management needs.